Si Mavi Legaspi ang dagdag na co-host ng Pinoy Big Brother, PBB, Celebrity Collab Edition kung saan tinagurian siyang kapuso Royal Tropa ni Kuya. Sa kanyang Instagram stories noong February 21, 2025, sunod-sunod na ibinahagi ni Mavi kung gaano siya nagagalak maging bahagi ng sikat na reality show. Una niyang ipinost ang larawan niyang kuha sa pictorial para sa programa. Sabi ni Mavi sa caption, hindi niya bibiguin ang pamunuan ng PBB na nagtiwala sa kanya. Anya, thank you, Lord. I can't wait to meet the housemates. Can't wait to learn from the amazing PBB hosts. I won't let any of you down. Ready to host. Kasunod nito ang larawan nila ni Alexa Ilacad na magiging partner in crime niya sa show. Sabi ng Kapuso TV host actor, forgot to mention my partner in crime as a PBB host. Alexa Ilacad, we finally get to work together. Let's do this. Ang pangatlong post ni Mavi ay mensahe niya sa mga taong walang tiwala sa kanyang hosting skills. Pero gagawin daw niya ang lahat ng kanyang makakaya. Dagdag ni Mavi, published as is, thank you for all the love at support guys. It's honestly so overwhelming. I'll do my very best. I'll take any constructive criticism moving forward and utilize it to become a better host. All the extra noise is just unnecessary. I suggest you keep it to yourself cause it doesn't work on me. All love, your newest PBB host. Maverick. Mavi Legaspi, I've been watching it since when I was a kid. Ipinakilala si Mavi sa It's Showtime noong Biyernes, February 21, bilang dagdag na co-host sa PBB Celebrity Collab Edition. Nag-judge si Mavi sa segment na Sexy Babe. Binati siya ni Vice Ganda sa pagiging bahagi nito sa show. Sabi ni Mavi, I'm very excited actually na makilala yung mga bagong housemates na taga Sparkle, of course Star Magic. And syempre just to be a part of yung pinakasikat na bahay sa bansa, syempre ang bahay ni Kuya. I've been watching it since when I was a kid. Bata pa lang ako, nanunood na ako ng PBB. And now to be one of the hosts together with Gabby Garcia, Kim Chu, dapat Ate Kim pala, Kuya Enchong, D, Kuya Robbie, Domingo, MS. Melay, Francisco, and of course, Bianca Gonzalez. I'm very excited na and, of course, the PBB Celeb Collab Edition. March 9 na yan.